Welcome home to 10934 Woodchuck Court in Lake Wildwood. This front porch is just screaming for a porch swing or some rocking chairs to look out over your beautiful landscaped yard. You come in through the living room with a wood-burning stove and enter into the kitchen that was updated 10 years ago with new quartz countertops, appliances, flooring, and cabinets. This is a downstairs half bath for your guests. Outside, there's a fenced area with a pool and a much larger backyard beyond the fenced area for whatever you might need it for. Come back in through the dining room and the living room, and we'll go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms up here. This is the first guest room. It's a great size, and the second guest room is similar in size. This hall bathroom was updated 10 years ago. The master is a large room, along with the primary bathroom that was updated 10 years ago as well.